Greetings and welcome to The View from the Road, my mostly weekly video about the goings-on here in the Thompson School District and the greater Loveland area. And I warned you the weather wasn't going to last, and it didn't. We got snow over the weekend, it's starting to warm up again, but we are still in winter. But part of that, as we head in towards spring break, which is just a month away, is we're going to start doing tryout nights, and we're going to start exploring instruments and doing all that kind of stuff. Make sure, if you're a teacher and you haven't scheduled them with us yet, let us know when it's going to be. We can definitely provide stuff. People is always a challenge, but I always like when we involve existing kids in your program in that, because we want this to be aspirational. We want the beginners to see other kids doing this, and other kids who were where they are not that long ago, and just seeing the progress and knowing what's possible if they're willing to put in the effort. And part of that, and this is just me being very local about it, at the boys' school next week, there's going to be a demonstration from the middle school coming down to show off at the elementary level what's possible and what's going on, which I think is a fantastic thing. And I think it's a great recruiting opportunity, because at the elementary school they're going to be starting up a band and hopefully orchestra as well, and that is awesome. Because, as I talked about before, with declining student numbers, a greater percentage of kids need to participate, and they should. Everyone should participate, because this is such a great activity. But this is the exploratory time of year, and if you miss your school tryout, or if you haven't had one yet, or if you're just raring to go, come into the store, try them out. We would be happy to assist you with all that kind of stuff, no problem there. But yeah, that's basically the stuff that's going on here, as we're just in that time of year where we're getting ready to launch things off and get recruiting into next year. We're always thinking ahead for this kind of stuff, but we want as many kids as possible to have the opportunity to make music, and this is where it all starts. So that is your view from the road. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.